Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the techniques of map making, distribution maps, cartography techniques, and thematic mapping methods. Okay, these are important topics from UGC NET exam perspective in geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. First of all, cartography and techniques of map making. What is cartography? Cartography is the technique and study of map making is called cartography. Study of map technique and study of map making is called cartography. It's combining science, aesthetics, and techniques. Cartography builds on the premise that reality can be reproduced in ways that communicate spatial information credibility. Okay, spatial information can be represented with the help of a distribution map. Distribution map means the spread of geographical phenomena varies over space. Distribution maps study the spatial distribution of phenomena and analyzes the geographical factors and patterns for better understanding. Okay, cartography means science and aesthetics plus techniques of map making. Distribution maps show spatial spread of phenomena. Primary requirement: availability of statistical data. Types vary with nature data, climatic, demographic, and economic. Isotherm, temperatures, isobar, pressure, and isoheight, rainfall. Okay, isotherm map show temperature, isobar, pressure, and isoheight map, rainfall. Types of distribution maps overview. Chorochromatic maps use letters, numbers, and symbols. Isoplet and isoline maps, lines of equal values, isotherms, isobars, isoheights, and isoplates. Chorochromatic map define colors for qualitative data, vegetation, land use, and geology. Dot maps is dot definite quantity, source, population, cattle, crops, minerals, and resources. Dasymetric maps, density mapping using natural boundaries, not administrative limit. Choropleth map, differential shading by administrative units, population density, and literacy. Then similarly, flow maps shows movement of objects, migration, trade, traffic using line thickness. Then chorochromatic maps and isoplet maps. Chorochromatic maps, distribution of data shown by uniform scheme. Letters, numbers, shapes, Roman numbers of Greek letters. Example: C for cotton, W for wheat, R for rice, B for bajra, M for maize. Mineral resources are also shown using similar symbols, best suited for qualitative, discrete spatial data. Isoplet and isoline maps, lines of equal statistical values drawn on a map. Key terms: isotherms equal temperature, isobars so equal pressure, isoheights equal rainfall. Planimetric graphic representation of a 3D surface requires 3D imagination. Chorochromatic maps, choros means area in Greek word. Uniform symbol scheme best for crop mineral maps. Isoplet also ismetric and isoline. Isotherm temperature, isobar pressure, isoheight rainfall, isoplet population. Advantages of isoline: smooth and continuous field, flexible and scalable, and computer friendly. Dot maps and dasymetric maps. Dot maps of uniform size placed to show distribution of objects is dot define number of quantity. Example: 1 dot is equal to 1,000, 1 lakh persons. Used for cattle, crops, mineral resources, population, etc. Simple visual representation of discrete spatial data. Dasymetric map, Greek word from dasymetry, and it means density measurement. Uses aerial symbols to spatially classify volumetric data. Shows density by natural boundaries, not administrative limit. Avoids rivers, snow, uninhabited areas. Models data is as continuous field, independent or arbitrary area units. Dot maps, uniform dot size is dot fixed quantity, based for population, cattle, and crop data. Dasymetric advantages over choropleth: avoids false homogeneity, ignores best uninhabited land, more realistic density representation. Key difference: choropleth administrative units and dasymetric natural units. Okay, chorochromatic and choropleth maps. Chorochromatic map, Greek word choros, that means area, and chroma, that means color. Uses different colors to show distribution of various features. Example: forest, green color; grassland, yellow color; desert vegetation, brown color. Used for geology, land use, vegetation, density of population, forest types, rainfall intensity. Demerit: entirely wipes out all other features. Choropleth map, Greek word choros, that means place, and plethos, that means measure and magnitude. Aerial units with similar value, certain phenomena shown by differentiate shading. Used for population density, literacy rate, demographic distribution. So shading values follows these administrative boundaries, darker shade, higher density. Shift tools of geographers for demographic mapping. Choropleth techniques, horizontal, vertical, and slanting lines, check forms or any other pattern, color index in corner. Merits of choropleth, easy interpretation, compare regions easily, works with administrative units. Demerits of choropleth, only average distribution, ignores small variations, and waste land disappears under shading. Flow maps and accessibility maps. Flow maps found 2005, a mix of maps and flow charts that show the movement of objects from one location to another, number of people in migration, amount of goods, trades and packets in a network, used to show movement of people, products, natural resources, weather, etc. Flow maps give indication of what flows or migrates, direction of movement, source of and destination, how much is the flow. Isochronic cartograms. Flow diagrams also give idea about speed at which flow occurs from a central place in a direction. Speed flow maps or isochronic cartograms may be used to show speed waves and tidal waves. Okay, these are some UGC NET key point. Flow maps, line thickness, volume of flow. Thicker line, that means heavier traffic. Lines not always proportional for extreme values. Then accessibility maps show nature and degree of traffic, line of uniform thickness unit, index of lines with decreasing thickness, thickest maximum flow. Traffic cartograms used in USA, Canada, Great Lakes, St. Lawrence Waterways, Canadian Pacific Railway. This is the comparative summary. All maps type. Main type, key features, best used for key term. Chorochromatic, symbols and letters, used for crops and mineral resources. Key terms, C for cotton, W for wheat, like this. Map type, isopleth and isoline. Key features, equal value lines, best used for temperature, pressure and rainfall distribution. Key term, isotherm, isobar and isoheight. Map type, dot maps. Key feature, dots, fixed quantity, best used for population and cattle. Key term, 1 dot, 100 x units. Map type, dasymetric. Key features, natural boundaries, best used for population density. Key term, density measurement. Map type, chromochromatic. Key features, define colors, best used for vegetation and geology. Then the key term, choros and chroma. Choropleth, that means key features, differential shadow, best used for population density and literacy rate. Key term, choros plus plethos. Map type, flow maps. Key features, line of thickness is equal to volume, best used for migration, traffic and trade. Key term, isochronic cartogram. Okay, these are some practice questions for UGC NET examination. Question 1, the word choropleth is derived from Greek words meaning. Correct answer is option number B. Choros is equal to place, plethos is equal to magnitude or measures. Question number 2, which maps are uniform? Symbols like C for cotton and W for wheat. Correct answer is option number C. Chorochromatic maps use letters, numbers, shapes or Greek letters. Dasymetry is a Greek term meaning. Correct answer is option number B, density measurement. Isochronic cartograms are used to show. Correct answer is option number B, speed of flow from a central place. Okay, flow diagrams showing speed waves and tidal waves from a central place. Quick revision. Cartography means science and aesthetics and techniques of map making. Dasymetric, density by natural boundaries, Greek word density measurement. Chorochromatic, letters and symbols, C for cotton, W for wheat, R for rice, B for baza, M for maize, for example. Chorochromatic, different colors, choros plus chroma, vegetation and geology maps. Isopleth, equal value lines, isotherm, isobar, isoheight and isopleth. Choropleth, choros plus plethos, shading by administrative units, population density. Dot maps, uniform dots, 1 dot is equal to fixed quantity, population, crops and cattle. Flow maps, line thickness, flow volume. Isochronic cartograms, so speed. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.